September 15, 2005. The day before Mexican Independence Day in Tultepec, Mexico. The San Pablito market is well known for its pyrotechnic vendors. There are over 300 stalls covering 43,000 square feet, all packed with fireworks for the holiday. Vendors go about their business. Revelers make their purchases. Then suddenly, a plume of smoke and the crackling of pyrotechnics triggers panic. A cache of fireworks has ignited, setting off a destructive chain reaction. Vendors and customers flee as one stall after another explodes. On site, fire crews quickly respond, but there's little they can do to stop the fast-spreading disaster. Within seconds, the entire market is ablaze. Backup fire crews arrive. Even bystanders chip in to help battle the flames. People scurry to save their vehicles from being rained on by flaming debris. 5 hours after it begins, firefighters bring the inferno under control. The catastrophe is sparked literally when a customer ignores warning signs and sends a rocket into a stockpile of fireworks. Over 100 people are injured and 23 cars are destroyed, along with all 300 stalls. But amazingly, no one is killed. A year later, a similar incident here destroys hundreds of stalls and injures one firefighter.